60.
So here we are at the going to the gun range. Steve's actually on the phone with Mr. 23 Cowboys right now.
Hi, man.
And I got we're gonna try out my new knife.
Pointed the camera at me
And we'll see you when we get there.
Oh.
Bye.
What we're shooting today is Lisa's Springfield Armory EMP 9mm.
1911.
Yeah, 1911 style.
It's freaking sweet.
And my Smith & Wesson 1911 PD. So those are what we're shooting. We're shooting at that for now, but we will set up some other targets closer. So, all right, be back in a minute.
Well, now
that sucks. Here. Well, we thought we were recording all this awesome footage of us shooting. Turns out the camera wasn't recording. So we'll try this again. Wanted to show off our new tires on our truck. We had 40s on it, went down to a 38. It's a little dirty. Look at the exhaust pipe on this bad boy. This turbo diesel. See if you can see the "Don't Tread on Me" in the back window. Check that out. Okay, we're get back up here, do a little bit more shooting, get some footage, and then that's her Springfield Armory EMP 9mm.
do you want me to load it back up?
Yeah, it's got Trigicon.
Okay, I'll leave this one here.
Night sights on it. It's got some really awesome grips, aluminum, adjustable trigger on it, extended beaver tail, stainless slide. It's awesome. Anyways, I'm sure everybody knows about the EMP. I got a little dirty Smith & Wesson 1911 PD.
We need to get a clip thing to make this work, honey.
You want to?
Because this sucks.
Get you a easy.
Son of a bitch.
Something to help you load your clips.
Yeah.
Anyways, 45 ACP. Mine's got all this stuff on it. Hers does, except for this has a scandium frame, and it's
mine's sexier.
4-inch instead of 5. And hers is
do you want me to shoot?
3-inch.
Want me to shoot?
Yeah, just a second. Let me get close up. Thank Mr. DeLeon 99.99 for this awesome pad we have here for the shooting range.
You want me to shoot?
And here we are, we're shooting about 35 yards. Still trying to get accurate with these guns.
Why won't this go?
I'm actually doing pretty good with mine.
Steve, why won't go in?
But Lisa's getting ready to shoot. Just hang on, I'll help you, okay? She's all anxious to shoot her gun. Okay, so we'll be back in just a second. Okay, here she goes.
By the way, he doesn't know his gun rules. He's all pointing it at people.
No, I didn't point it at anyone.
Whatever. There's a guy down there that you point at.
Come on, tough girl. Let's see you work this thing. Oh, do you need me to do that for you?
Why isn't it cocking back? What am I doing wrong?
Just pull it back. Nice and hard. Good job.
I don't need you to do it for me.
You're giving me a hard time. I'm just returning the favor.
So like this?
Just hold on to it. There she goes. Nice. Gosh, that's loud. Good job, babe. What do you think?
I like it a lot.
Do you? It's awesome. Some girls, they want fancy rings and stuff like that.
I just like fancy guns.
He likes fancy guns. That thing's awesome.
That thing's sexy.
We got for home defense rounds a PDX 147 grain home defense rounds in it. So, anyways, thanks for watching.